Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a fat cat teapot cozy. And you can make it in stripes like this, or in a solid color as well. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. If you find the videos too fast, you can slow them down by clicking on the gear icon below the video. Start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain that measures approximately 10 inches. 1, 2, okay, I've worked a foundation chain and it will stretch to 10 inches. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook and in each stitch across the chain. So single crochet, insert the hook, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn and pull it through the 2 loops. So go ahead and make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. And now the next row will be repeated over and over. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in that very first stitch. And then single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And you repeat that row over and over. And for me, I had to complete 36 rows. So you'll just continue to repeat that row. And I've worked one here in purple, and it's what you'll have. It's a rectangle. So then you're going to fold this over, and then you'll sew to attach them along the bottom and at the top. And you leave these 2 open, one for the handle and the other side for the spout. And here's the one I did with stripes. So I did 4 rows of tan, 2 of cream, 1 of black, 2 of cream, 3 of tan, 2 of cream, 1 of black, 2 of cream. And you just keep going around and then fold it over. Sew it down both sides. And now I'll show you how to make the face. To make the face, I'm working with a cream color yarn. Again, 2 strands of worsted weight yarn. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch. And that will form a ring. Now carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring so you can close the hole. So I'm going to chain 1. And I'm going to make 8 single crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, keep going. Okay, I have 8 single crochet in the ring. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. And now you can pull that yarn end and close up the center of the hole. Now I'm going to chain 1 and turn. And I'm going to make 2 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, all the way around. Okay, worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Okay, now I'm going to single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. So I'm going to do 2 in the next stitch, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2. You're going to repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join. And that will be the cat's face. Pull that yarn end. And I have one here. So then I sewed on 2 buttons for eyes, and I sewed on a button right in the center hole, and it's a shank button. So now I'm going to show you how to do the whiskers. Threaded a yarn needle with some black yarn, come out under the nose, like that. Now I'm going to come directly over below the eye, go through the next stitch, back under the nose, and through the next stitch, like that. Now come back out under the nose on the opposite side, and repeat. In through 1 stitch, back out under the nose, through the next stitch, and 1 more time, and through the next stitch, like that. And now I'll just tie all these yarn ends together on the back. And there's the little cat face. So position your face on the rectangle, and then just with a needle in the same color yarn, just sew it on.
Like that.
And there you go. I hope you enjoyed seeing how easy it is to make a fat cat teapot cozy. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.